Ayan guys, so good job talaga sa Pag-ibig kanina kasi open na sila ng weekends. All Saturdays na daw po yun sa lahat na may mga selected branches. So yung kanina yung pinuntahan ko was Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. So open sila every Saturday. Actually yun naman talaga dapat. For me dapat talagang mga government offices meron silang weekend. Pwede naman actually silang na lang Tuesday to Saturday. Wag na silang mag-Monday para less naman yung traffic kapag Monday. Kasi kapag may Saturday ang mga government offices, pwede nang hindi mag-leave yung mga tao to process whatever government benefits that or anything na need nilang i-process for government like SSS. Sana ganun din yung SSS kasi so far yung Pag-ibig talaga sobrang good job. Like sobrang good job. Yung SSS medyo na pag-iiwanan with all that stuff. Kahit sa mga loans, sa kung saan